Am I allowed? Are you serious? I've never done this. Are you ready? I gotta tell you, this is fun. Hi, my name is Dan Hughes, and this is our Unbox of the Week. Is that what it's called? There you have it. Oh man, this is fun. Hello, my name is Dan Hughes, and this is the Weekly Unbox. Each week, we give an opportunity to show you some great gift ideas, and every week there's a theme. This week, by the way, is gifts for the guy. My wife, gifts for what? Gifts for him? Seems so generic. The guy, that's like a title. This is fun. Hi, my name is Dan Hughes, and this is the Weekly Unbox. And each week we do segments, and there's different categories of gift giving, different wonderful gift ideas as well. My wife says that guys are hard to shop for. And I don't think we are. You know, we look for something that's exciting, something that's practical, something we can use. So this week's theme is gifts for him. So I have 4 gifts. They would not tell me what they were. Do I get to keep them? No. Okay. You wanna start with this one? We'll start with this one. Okay, wait a minute. Usually when a gift makes noise, it's a good time to just leave. I like the tune. Oh, I know what this is. I don't even have to open it. I can tell you from the shape. And I promise they didn't tell us. This is one of the best gifts you could give him or anyone. This is the Bose Soundlink. Nowadays with Bluetooth on our phones, the speakers in phones are so tiny you can't really enjoy your music. This way you can enjoy your music all over your home. This is a great gift. I like that. That's a perfect gift. Nice. Okay, so that's one. We got 4. Should I do this one or this one? This one? I'll go with this one. Oh, wait a second. Am I the only one who shakes the box to see what it is? Wait. Oh, don't do that. Hold on. I am starting to feel loved. This is the perfect gift. That's the iPad. That's the 9.7-inch iPad that comes with all the accessories. That's the full experience. That's a gift that somebody will treasure. I like that. That is really nice. Take that home. Notice I wrap it back up. My mother used to peel back the tape and unfold the paper. She never tore a piece of wrapping paper because she said, we can use that again. All right, I'm saving the big one till last. Here's the third one. You guys did such a nice job on wrapping this stuff. Tissue paper adds to the value of any gift. It really does. Tell you what, when I was growing up as kids, we didn't have a lot of money. So I'm not kidding, it was newspaper. So by the time you opened 2 gifts, your hands were covered in, oh! No, this is a great gift. Oh, please be my team, please be my team. It is, look at this. That's a great gift. That is officially licensed NFL wear. This is their mid-weight jacket, and it's got this wonderful water repellent finish to it. This becomes like your favorite pair of blue jeans. You'll wear this thing all the time. I like that. That's a great gift. Who picked these out? Is that you? You're very good. This one I'm actually concerned about. Oh no, it is. That's heavy. Never judge a gift by its size. Although big gifts are kind of fun to open. All right, let's see what this is. That's the way to open a gift right there. Oh. I gotta tell you, I would not have thought of this as a gift for him, but it makes perfect sense. Oh. Wait a minute, hold on. This is an air fryer. And it's not just an air fryer, okay? Petite does not run in my family. In fact, nothing runs in my family. I can do chicken wings. I can do mozzarella sticks. I can use this. You can actually bake cakes in this. It's like the easy bake oven we remember with the 60-watt light bulb when we were kids, but the cake isn't that big. It's like a real cake. That's one of our top-of-the-line pieces of equipment, too. It's from the folks at Cook Essential. That's a fantastic gift. I like that. So there's one more? I've got to find it. They gave me a fireplace. Is that not it, Mike? That's not it? Oh, it's got a bow on it. Oh, this is a great gift too. I know this. I actually own this. This is the Little Giant step ladder that opens up and it looks more like a flight of stairs than it does a ladder. So you feel a lot safer. That's an adult gift right there. That is a great gift for him. We've had, I think it's over 1 million Little Giant ladders that have been sold here at QVC. This one's one of our top rated designs too. I think you're gonna love these gifts. And by the way, if you like what you saw just here, then what I urge you to do is check out and shop for all the great gifts that we have with our gift guide on QVC.com.